Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy cryptocurrency in a Fidelity Roth IRA. First, ensure you have a Fidelity account and that your Roth IRA is set up. If you do not have an account, visit the Fidelity website and follow the steps to create one. Make sure to gather all necessary documentation as you set up your Roth IRA, as this will be crucial for investment purposes. Once your account is ready, the next step is to navigate to the investment options available within your Roth IRA. Log into your Fidelity account, go to the Accounts Overview, and locate your Roth IRA. In the investment section, you may not find cryptocurrency listed directly, but you can access the Fidelity crypto platform. Here, Fidelity offers certain products linked to cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin ETFs or cryptocurrency trusts. After you have decided which cryptocurrency-related investment you want to pursue, simply follow the prompts to order the desired amount. Carefully review your order details and ensure you understand the fees associated with these transactions. Once satisfied, confirm your order and monitor your investment as needed. Remember that investing in cryptocurrencies can be volatile, so keep yourself informed on market trends. Lastly, since you are investing through a Roth IRA, make sure to track your contributions and withdrawals since these accounts have tax advantages. Always consult a financial advisor if you have specific questions related to your situation or need additional guidance on managing your cryptocurrency investments within your Roth IRA. Happy investing!